Let's say you wanted to change the environment for your app. Now for right now, I am working in a project called environment, which is actually just a blank new project. If you want to follow along, you can create a new project. And you can do that by going to free play, create free play and then select empty scene. So here I have my model right here and I want to change the environment. Now on the left side next to model, you can see that we have one environment on our platform. Now if I click on that environment right here, you can see that it's selected because it has a blue rectangle around it. You will notice that at the top of the screen, that tab that normally said costume, now it says environment. I will click on that tab and that takes us to an interesting page. This page has our environment in a list. Now we only have one, so we only see one. But you can actually select the environment and you can paint on it using this painting tool. We will look at the painting tool later on in the course, but just know that's an option here for now. So how do we add a new environment? You will see that we can choose one from the library, we can paint a new one, and that means we can use the painting tools to do that. For now I am just going to use the library, so I am going to click button to choose an environment from the library and I am gonna pick one of this image. Now these images are actually organized. So if you look at this and there are a lot to sort through, you wanna just sort it to a suited image. You can click any environment listed in our platform. You can also follow the themes. So there are Goaland theme. So for now I am going to go back to category all and I am going to choose Egypt one. So I will click on that and there the background. Now if you look over to the right side of the screen in the environment tab, you are going to see that this Egypt environment is selected. But I can also change it back to environment one if I want by clicking on that drop once. So we can switch between them and this example and there it goes and only have one environment now. If I click and drag on the environment on the screen, it does not move. So our environment is a static or non-moving image that goes in the back, and if I want to transform the environment or simply changes the size of these floor, move up and down, then simply with the help of this gizmo and do according to your requirement. If I add some code and try to move over a sphere, click on the play button and see the sphere is still moved but our environment is static. So I can set the sphere down the floor over there, and again notice that when I click on the sphere and move it, the environment changes back to the costume. So now that I have the sphere selected, I see option for the sphere here and not the environment. So remember, if you wanna change your environment, you can just click the button down here at the bottom to grab a new environment and we choose one from the library. And after completing this, just publish this to QuickXR platform and name as environment Egypt, so our creation shown at QuickXR gallery.